Here's your family tech blog parent's guide to Call of Duty Black Ops 4. Call of Duty Black Ops 4 is a lot like most modern setting Call of Duty games. It's set a little bit in the future with some futuristic weapons and a lot of blood and gore. I usually do a rating system based out of 5 points. The higher number of points, the better it is for younger children. In this case, Call of Duty Black Ops 4 scores a 1 on violence, scores a 1 on language, scores a 4 in sexual content, and a 2 out of 5 in positive message. As far as violence goes, Call of Duty Black Ops 4 is very violent, with blood, guts, gore flying everywhere, literally like chunks of meat flying when explosions go off. They celebrate this violence. You're commended for your explosion of as many people as possible. You're given all kinds of tools from firearms to explosives to helicopters that you command, even smart missiles that you're able to control through your controller. You can even have an attack dog that attacks your enemies. So you're really rewarded for killing in as many creative ways as possible. The F words, the S words, the D words, any words that we would prefer to use an initial for are in this game. There's not much by way of sexual content. There's not much by way of story in Call of Duty Black Ops 4, and so there's not a lot of sexual content. Women are treated like soldiers. They're not treated like sex objects. In Call of Duty Black Ops 4, there are some scantily clad zombies that were, once slaves in the Roman world or something like that, but it's gruesome and gross more than it is sexy or sexual content related. Finally, as far as a positive message, there might be a sense of camaraderie among the team as you play. I gave it a 2 out of 5 as far as saying that there's not much redeeming quality in the story of Black Ops 4, because there's really not much of a story at all. Now, there is a way to turn off graphic and explicit content. However, it's not password protected. In my book, if parental controls aren't password protected, they just don't exist. Finally, multiplayer is the key for Black Ops 4. It really is the main feature, especially their new Battle Royale mode called Blackout, which I did a video on pretty recently. Since multiplayer is featured so heavily in this Call of Duty game, you're going to be playing online with all kinds of different people. You can squad up with strangers, you can build a squad from friends, you can chat with them, whether it's through microphone with voice chat or in text. There's all kinds of ways to contact people that you normally maybe wouldn't come in contact with. And with a game like Call of Duty, there will be people of all ages playing this game. Screen time is always a major issue with first-person shooters because it contributes to what's called lost time. Lost time is when you sit down to do something and before you know it, it's been 3 to 4 hours and you don't even know where the time has gone. Our kids experience this when they play games that have no seeming end to them. A game that features multiplayer matchup after multiplayer matchup like Fortnite or Call of Duty, these games are easy to get sucked into to the point that you don't realize how much time you've spent playing. This is why some sort of screen time setting, whether it's in the parental control options of their game system or PC, or with something like Circle to monitor their access to the internet, is a good idea. So that's my thoughts on Call of Duty Black Ops 4. It looks like a very interesting game, very realistic, very intense battle and combat. Hopefully this guide can help you make a quality decision on whether or not you're going to allow your young kids to play it. Either way, thank you for watching, and you can keep tabs on what we're all up to with social media, internet safety, and all of that at becausefamily.org and familytechblog.com.
Hi, I'd like to thank you for watching our videos. I just wanted to let you know that Because Family is a non-profit organization. All money donated to Because Family goes to help us make videos like this, articles like the one this video is attached to, do seminars and free workshops for families to teach them how to keep their kids safe online, to teach digital citizenship to kids, to write curriculum, and all kinds of wonderful stuff that we try to do to help families be internet smart and safe. So if you'd like to donate, you can go to becausefamily.org/partnership and give to help us keep doing that. Thanks a lot.